Hi, I am Sarah and I am Functional Rustic. Welcome to part 2 of the Functional Rustic DIY tutorial video of how to turn a fork into a Functional Rustic business card holder or photo display. I keep saying Functional Rustic, not only because you should go to functionalrustic.com and buy my stuff, but also because it's rustic and it's functioning as a business card holder. Look at that, isn't it great? Now in part 1 of this video, we learned how to do this. That's pretty cool. If you want to learn how to do that, watch part 1. Now where part 1 ended is when I was troubleshooting on this part. As you can see, it's not functional. And what had happened is while I was realizing it wasn't functional, it fell onto the keyboard and stopped recording the video. Hence, here we are in part 2. So like I said, we are troubleshooting right now, and I need to figure out a way to make this stable. And what I've come up with since I last talked to you guys was I'm going to take this part and bend it that way, and hopefully it'll act as a stand. So we're going to find out together if that works. Isn't it exciting? All right. So all I'm going to do, let's see, I want to bend it that way, is put this here. All right. And now I've got my lighter so I can make it hot so that when I push it, it'll bend easier. So, 40 degrees and raining this fine functional rustic day. It is the middle of May in Michigan. This is ridiculous. All right. Here we go.